How to apply a page background in MS Word document. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can apply a page background in your Microsoft Word document. So as here you can see, I have this sample MS Word document right here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can apply a page background into this particular document. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this design tab over the ribbon. Once you'll click onto this design tab, you will see a number of different options related to page settings and formatting. Now, if you will come towards this right hand side corner under the page background, you can see different types of options. And one such option is page color. So you need to simply click onto this page color, and then from here you can choose any colors that you want to apply in the background. So for example, let's say blue, yellow, green, and others as well. If you want more colors, you can click onto this more colors option, and it will give you this particular option from where you can add more colors, and the preview will be visible on the upper portion of this particular section, whereas the lower section displays the current color of the page. Apart from that, you may also click onto this custom option to get an RGB selector, using which you can find any color, and also if you know the hex value, you can do that by typing in the particular hex value of that particular color. So using this, you can easily set any color of your preference. So for example, let me select this color, and then I can click onto this OK button, and here you can see that the page background has been successfully changed. So that was all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions and questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.